Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So first, as you can see, I have no SIM found in my phone. So flip your phone right here and we have right here the SIM slot. So take something long and thin, then push it right here in this hole to open this SIM slot and take out. Now I have my SIM card. Take it out of the slot. You can take a microfiber and clean a little the SIM card. Don't brush it any harder than it needs to, just softly. Okay. Then I'll just leave my phone right here and I have another one. That's the Motorola RAZR 70 Plus and we will test with another phone. So first I need to take the case off. Okay, so now open the SIM slot the same way. Just put something long and thin into this hole. Even a needle will do. And just push. Okay. Take out. Now take the SIM card and put it right here. Okay. And push inside. Now we need to see if the SIM card is working on this phone. As you can see, yes, because the mobile data is enabled. I will disable it. So now take out the SIM card by again just pushing. Okay, I have the SIM card now. Once again pull it out. I didn't need that. Push the empty slot inside the phone. Take the SIM card, put it in the first slot. Once again with the microfiber, just brush it a little to remove the fingerprints. Take your phone and put the SIM card inside. I just need to check which side and push the slot with the SIM card. Now let's see. As you can see, it is working. So a little brush helped, but also you can go into the system, reset options, and reset mobile network settings. Also, you can right here find the system updates and update your system. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.